Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a bank. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple and the bank staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. Why does a bank sometimes stop your card when you still have money? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
This bag is perfect for the trip. Let me pay for it.
Nice choice. We can use it for our snacks and water.
Okay, I will just tap my card here.
Take your time. There is no line behind us.
It's not going through. The screen says wait.
Maybe it needs a second. Try it again.
Let me try again. I will tap it once more.
Any luck this time?
No, it got declined. That's so strange.
Are you sure there's money in your account?
Yes, I checked this morning. I had plenty.
Don't worry. Maybe it's just a small mistake.
But it always works. Why now? Right before our trip.
Here, let me help. I'll get this one with cash.
Thank you. I feel a little embarrassed.
Don't be. This happens to everyone sometimes.
I still don't understand why my card stopped.
Maybe the bank stopped it to keep your money safe.
The bank did this? Why would they stop my own card?
They do that when something looks different. It's for your safety.
So it's not really a bad thing?
No, not at all. They just want to protect you.
That actually makes me feel better. Thank you.
The bank is very close. Let's go and ask.
Good idea. They can turn it back on there.
And we can fix it before the trip. No stress.
You always stay calm. I would be lost without you.
You would be fine, but I like helping.
I hope the trip goes better than this morning.
It will. This is just one small bump before the fun starts.
You're right. A frozen card is not the end of the world.
Not at all, and it's a good story to tell later.
Let's finish our coffee first, then walk over.
Perfect. I'm not leaving this warm drink behind.
Good morning. Welcome to the bank. How can I help you?
Hi, my card stopped working this morning. It got declined.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check for you.
Thank you. I really need it before my trip next week.
Can I see some ID first, please?
Sure. Here is my card and my ID.
Thank you. Give me one moment while I look.
Is something wrong with my account?
Your account is fine, but your card is on hold.
On hold? What does that mean?
It means we stopped it for now. We saw something unusual.
Unusual? Like what?
There was a small payment from another country, only $1.
$1 from another country? I didn't buy anything abroad.
That's why our system stopped your card. It looked strange to us.
So one small dollar stopped my whole card?
Yes. Sometimes a tiny payment is a test by a thief.
Wow, I had no idea. So you stopped it to protect me.
Exactly. It is safer to stop it first.
That makes sense. So do I need a new card now?
No. Your ID checks out, so I can take the hold off right now.
Oh, good. So this same card will work again?
Yes, this card is fine. I am turning it back on for you.
That's a relief. I was afraid I had to wait days for a new one.
No need, but for a few days, your card will have a lower daily limit for cash.
So I can still use it, just not take out too much at once.
Right. It's only for a short time. Then it goes back to normal.
Okay, and what about that strange dollar?
We are looking into it. Here is your reference number.
A reference number? What is that for?
Keep it. If you call us later, just read it out.
I'll save it in my phone right now.
Good. That number helps us find your case fast.
Should I bring anything else when I call?
Just that number and your name. That is enough.
Perfect. You have made this much less scary.
That's my job. We are here to help, not to worry you.
Okay, my card works again. Now I just need some cash.
There is an ATM right here. Let's get some cash.
Good. I'll use my bank app to take out money.
Do you remember your number for the machine?
Yes, I know it. Let me put in $50.
Wait, look at the screen. What does it say?
It's asking for a fee. A $3 fee?
Ah, I see. This isn't your bank's machine.
So this machine charges me extra just to use it.
Yes. When it's not your own bank, they often add a fee.
$3 just to get my own money? That's not fair.
See? It shows the fee first. We can still cancel here.
Oh, good. So I can stop before I agree.
Right. Always read that screen before you press yes.
That's a smart tip. I almost paid it without looking.
Many people do. The machine hopes you won't notice.
Let me cancel this one. I don't want to lose $3.
Good idea. Let's find a machine from your own bank.
Actually, let's just ask inside the bank again.
The machine won't take my help anyway. Inside is better.
They can tell me which machines are free for me.
Exactly. We should not pay fees before a big trip.
We need to save every dollar for the flight.
True. Let's go back in and ask the counter.
I feel like we live at this bank today.
At least they know our faces now.
Come on, Grace was very kind. Maybe she can help.
Let's find her. This will be quick.
I never knew banks had so many little rules.
There's a lot to learn, but it's good to know before we fly.
True. Better to make these mistakes here than abroad.
Hi again, Grace. Sorry to bother you one more time.
No bother at all. What happened now?
I tried an ATM outside, but I couldn't take out all the cash I wanted.
Ah, yes. That's the safety step I told you about.
Oh, right. The lower daily limit for a few days.
Exactly. I just took the hold off, so the limit is still on for now.
So I can only take out a little for now?
You can still take out $200 a day.
Oh, that's plenty for this week.
Good. And in a few days, the limit goes back to normal by itself.
So I don't have to come back and ask.
No, it fixes itself. You just wait a few days.
That's easy. Why do you slow it down like that?
If a thief had your card, they can't drain it fast.
Ah, smart. A small limit gives the bank time to catch a problem.
Right. It keeps your money safe while we watch the account.
Good, but I hate paying those machine fees.
Then let me show you something on our map.
What is it?
Use these machines. They're free for you, even abroad.
Free even in another country? On my trip?
Yes, we work with banks all over. No fee at these ones.
That will save me a lot of money on our trip.
Just look for our name on the machine before you use it.
I'll write these locations down right now.
Good idea. Plan it before you fly and you'll save.
One more question. Can I use the counter today for cash?
Yes, of course. Just show your ID and I'll help you.
Great, then I'm ready for the week.
You are all set. And remember those free machines.
Thank you, Grace. You have made this whole day easier.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful trip.
Hello, welcome to the currency counter. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to exchange some money for our trip.
Of course. Which money would you like to buy?
I need some for our holiday next week, about $300 worth.
No problem. Let me check the numbers for you.
Thank you. What's today's rate?
Today the rate is good. Better than last week, actually.
Oh, that's lucky. And do you charge a fee?
Well, let me explain how it works. We buy at one rate and sell at another.
So the two prices are different?
Yes, the difference between them is really our fee.
Ah, I understand. So the smaller the difference, the better for me.
Exactly. And the airport is usually worse. Their difference is bigger.
Good to know. I'll change it here then, not at the airport.
Good choice. You'll keep more of your money this way.
Great. Small bills, please. They're easier to spend.
Sure, small bills are useful for taxis and snacks.
Yes, and for little gifts, too.
Is everything all right? You seem a little nervous.
Oh, no, I'm fine. Just thinking about something.
A long list for the trip?
Something like that. There's one thing I still have to tell my partner.
Ah, trip secrets. I won't ask.
It's a good secret. I hope he likes it.
I'm sure he will. Here is your money, all counted.
Thank you so much. Let me put it away safely.
Keep it in a safe place while you travel.
I will. Thanks for your help and the tip.
One more thing. Check the rate again the day you leave.
Oh, does it change every day?
Yes, a little. Some days are better than others.
I will check it. Thank you, Leo.
Enjoy your holiday. Travel safe.
Finally, we fixed everything. Card working, free machines found.
See? I told you it would work out. No stress.
You were right. We're all set now. I feel great.
Me too. Let's grab lunch and plan the rest of the trip.
Good idea. I'm so hungry after all that. Wait,
What? What's wrong?
my phone just made a sound. Look, another alert from the bank.
An alert? What does it say?
It's a new charge, $1 again from another country.
Oh, that again.
Yes, the strange dollar. A new alert just came. Good thing I turned these on.
Those alerts are helpful, aren't they?
They really are. Every time my card is used, my phone tells me.
So you notice things fast.
Right. If someone steals my card, I'll know in a second.
That's very smart of you.
But I don't understand this charge. Who keeps buying with my card?
Sam, maybe don't worry about that one.
What do you mean? A stranger is using my card abroad.
It might not be a stranger.
Not a stranger. Ellie, why do you look like that?
Look like what? I'm fine.
No, you're not. Your face is all red. What is going on?
Okay. There's something I have to tell you.
Now I'm really worried. Just tell me, what is it?
Let's walk first. I'll explain on the way home.
Ellie, please, I am very worried now.
Trust me, it's nothing bad. Come on, let's walk.
At least keep those alerts on. They saved us today.
They did. Now come on, I promise you'll smile in a minute. Okay, so that strange charge from another country?
Yes? Please don't tell me someone stole from us.
No one stole anything. It was me.
You? What do you mean it was you?
You let me use your card for the trip shopping, remember?
Yes, of course, for the snacks and little things.
Well, I used it for one secret thing too. That's the strange dollar.
A secret thing? Why didn't you say something?
I wanted it to be a surprise. That's why I stayed quiet.
A surprise? What kind of surprise?
I booked a special room for our trip by the sea.
By the sea? With a view?
Yes, a room with a balcony over the water. The dollar was just the test payment.
So the bank saw your booking and thought it was a thief.
Exactly. My little surprise stopped your whole card.
That's why my card got frozen. It was your fault all along.
I know. I'm sorry about all the trouble.
You could have told me. We ran around the bank all day.
But then it wouldn't be a surprise anymore.
That's true. I can't stay mad at you.
You're not mad, really?
How can I be mad? You booked us a room by the sea.
I just wanted our trip to be perfect.
It already is, but next time just tell me, okay?
Then it's not a surprise.
Fine. Keep your surprises, but warn the bank next time.
Deal. I'll tell them this dollar is from me, not a thief.
Come on, let's go home and pack.
A room by the sea. This trip just got so much better.
Best frozen card ever. Thank you, Ellie.
You're welcome. Now let's make a list for the room by the sea.
Swimming, good food, and no bank trouble.
Yes, and I already told the bank about the dollar.
You did? When?
I called them from the counter, so it won't stop your card again.
Now that is a real surprise. You think of everything.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why does a bank sometimes stop your card when you still have money? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.